I just wanted to thank God for safe journey, the journey mercy that God has given us with my staff. And I also thank God for the healing that God has given me today. And I'm really happy to come back to my country, Juba, South Sudan, in Juba. The weather is good, and I'm happy the weather is good. When we were in Nairobi, it was extremely cold. But now in Juba, the weather has welcomed us. I was told yesterday there was rain. When I left from here a week and a half ago, there was a debate about the issue of dredging, and then the issue of canal. Sometimes you need to leave the people of the country to debate the issues. So I did not say anything, but today I just wanted to give my support for those who say that the feasibility study must take place first. Because I also say that when they do feasibility study, and also public has to be educated about really what is going on in our country. At the same time, I wanted to support and appreciate what the president have done to suspend this, because it was going to cause problem, and South Sudan will not afford another problem. So I also thank him for doing that. That's how the leadership is. So I support that suspension. The public debate is very important, it's healthy, if it is allowed to take its course. And also, we will not, when South Sudan, we are still in this confusion, and we are also implementing the agreement, we don't want it to start other things. So the issue, resumption of canal Jonglei, is not a priority for South Sudan. We have our priorities. And if we say that because our people are sitting in the water, they have already been sitting under the water for the last 2 years. And they are surviving. For me, what I know, which is very dangerous for the people, like people of Unity State, people of Upper Nile, is the issue of the oil, the pollution. The oil pollution is a real problem that we as leadership, we should be discussing. Not the issue of dredging. The issue of dredging will come after, because now the government and the president have heard the voice of people of South Sudan. That's why we put the brake, so that we listen to the people, what the people are saying. So don't let us open other avenues or divert the attention. Now we are reaching the how do you call it, the end of the transition. We don't want to confuse it when the end of transition is almost going there, and then we bring another issue, dredging, and then divert the attention of the people of South Sudan. You never know who's angry there to do something very silly there to hurt the people of South Sudan. We don't want to lose a life for such things. Let us listen to the people. Let us also give the debate a chance. Let us also give experts a chance, so that they can educate us. And now we as leadership, when we take a decision, it will be a profound decision that people of South Sudan will appreciate in the future. Don't let us leave legacy, a negative legacy, because South Sudan is a blessed country. Because people think the oil is everything. It's not the oil, the water. Our water is a blessing from God. And we are blessed with that water. And our wetland is one of the largest wetland in Africa. And it is the second in the world. And there are people who are depending on that wetland. Also, we need to study to know if the Nile is dredged, if the canal is dug, are we going still to preserve our wetland? This is an issue that we need to know. So we are not against water flowing. It has been flowing since time immemorial. Secondly, Nile water is international water. South Sudan is not responsible for that water. We are part of it. We are part of the Nile basin. And we need to consult with them. So we need to have a healthy debate also as the leadership of Nile Basin countries, and then now the decision will come. South Sudan cannot find a rope hanging and we hang ourselves. We don't want it to be taken to court by other member states of Nile Basin. We are not ready for that. So this is my opinion, and I stand with those people who say that debate has to be given a chance. I stand with the president who have stopped and put the brake to listen to the people of South Sudan. I stand with them. This is my opinion, and I stand beside my opinion. And if anybody wanted to come to my house and ask more questions, I will be ready to answer them. Thank you.